So yung baha, hinukay talaga?
Hinukay namin yun. It took 2 days. 2 days para dun sa paghukay. And then 1 day para punuin siya ng tubig. In fact, nung dumating kami, hindi pa siya puno. Ilang beses na pabalik-balik yung yung truck ng mga bumbero, yung dadala ng tubig doon. Hindi tagal. Nagsimula kami mag-shoot 12 midnight na.
So di talaga pwede mag-quote ng amount sa budget.
mahal siya kasi
mahal ako.
Kasi inaaway ako ni mother. Kaya alam ko mahal siya. It's really expensive.
So ito na lang direct. So ang original plan, mas naging expensive yung execution, ganun ba?
Yes. Kasi I asked for 23 shooting days. Umabot kami ng 27. So talagang sobra-sobra siya dun sa
sa budget. Original budget.
Sa budget. 27 shooting days. Ano 27 shooting days ng pelikula, Pilipino. I mean, that's, hindi biro yun. That's really expensive. Yung shooting days parang hindi na biro.
For Janela naman, yung character mo may third eye, ganyan. May mga experience ka bang ganyan in real life?
The only experience na ever about supernatural that I've had was the one I made kwento earlier, yung sa OMG. Siguro na-trigger siya, yun nga, because the show was about God. It's a spiritual show. So, yun, inatake ako. Hindi lang actually ako, marami kaming nagka-problema sa show na yun. Because it's about God. So, yun lang yung experience ko nung inatake ako dun. Ever since, wala naman akong third eye talaga. Ayoko.
But personally, do you believe in the supernatural things?
I believe they exist. Because if you don't believe they exist, parang the more, I believe, mas lalo sa na-empower eh. Kasi dinadema mo sila. And I believe they're just around.
Halabedali.
Yes.